today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable your microphone in Google Meet. Whether you're joining a vibrant team meeting, catching up with friends, or attending a virtual class, making sure your microphone is set up properly is key to being heard. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you're ready to communicate clearly and effectively. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is head over to Google. Open your web browser and type in google.com, or you can click on the Google icon if it's available on your homepage. Once you're on Google's homepage, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see an icon that looks like a grid of dots. This is the Google Apps menu, a collection of all your Google services. Click on the Google Apps icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, navigate through the available apps until you find Google Meet, an essential tool for video conferencing. Click on the Meet icon to proceed. You're now on your way to starting a meeting in Google Meet. Next, you're going to click on the New Meeting button. Google Meet presents you with a few options here, but for now, we'll go for Start an Instant Meeting, which allows you to begin immediately. Clicking this option will prompt a pop-up or new page where your meeting will commence. Now, once your meeting space is open, glance at the bottom of the screen. You'll notice a series of controls there, including a microphone icon. This icon will be your best friend when it comes to managing your audio settings. If the icon appears with a line through it, your microphone is currently muted, meaning others in your meeting won't be able to hear you. To enable your microphone, simply click on the mic icon. If the line disappears, your microphone is on and you are ready to go. Always make sure to do a quick audio test or say a few words to confirm that your voice is being picked up clearly. As a tip, it's a good practice to keep your microphone muted when you're not speaking to minimize background noise and to avoid interrupting others. Unmute yourself only when you have something to say. This simple practice will help keep your meeting smooth and organized. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily enable your microphone and be set up to participate fully in any Google Meet session. Remember, effective communication is crucial in virtual meetings, and having your microphone ready is a big part of that process. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Until next time, happy meeting!